back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 ways or tips or tricks or hacks, whatever you call it, which will make you guys look even taller. Who doesn't want it? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is anything which is high-waisted. Now I'm wearing these pants from M&S, which are actually sitting on high or above, usually at least 3 inches higher. Now this is the power of proportions which everyone should understand. Pants like these are gonna make your torso look shorter and your legs look longer. Now coming on to shoes, what I'm wearing right now are nude heels which actually elongates your legs. Now the trick to find the perfect pair of shoes or heels can be to find a color which is actually similar to your actual skin color. Not exactly same, but comparable. Nudes can be perfect, beige will look nice, light pinks, etc. Now if you don't like wearing light color heels, what you can do is go for darker ones, but make sure they are pointed like these because they actually add an inch or 2 extra leg length from your toe down. Next tip is stripes, that is vertical stripes. Now you should wear vertical stripes, wearing long lean stripes instead of horizontal ones, because horizontal stripes will move your eye focus from side to side instead of top to down or down to up. Another not so obvious trick is that tying your hair up. Now how this works is that when you tie your hair up, another long line is shown that we all have, which is neck. Now you can also do a top knot. By the way, a top knot will add an extra 2 to 3 inches of your height. Now MAXI dresses are one go-to, especially in summers, because they're easy, they're breezy, and it also adds length. Now the fact that you're wearing the same clothing from the top up to the bottoms, and sometimes they're even touching the floor, actually adds length and gives you the correct illusion of looking longer or taller. Now high heels, when they are half covered with pants, instantly adds up to length, which actually depends on how high your heels are, 1 inches, 2 inches or 3 inches. Now how this works is, starting from your high-waisted pants going up till the heels actually appears like one long leg, which is great in my opinion. Next is monochromatic colors. Now what is monochromatic is one color, which can be all black, all white, all red, anything with just one color. Now I don't know how to explain it, but it looks like one color all over, which is never ending. So I hope you get it. Next is embellishments on the neck. Now what I'm wearing here is a shirt which has details on the neck, which actually makes the other person focus on the details up there, drawing the eye's attention on the shoulders. Now lastly, finding a bag of correct proportion. Now you don't know how much I love big tote bags, but wearing something like this will make you look taller because you're wearing something which is very proportionate to your frame, whereas big tote bags are going to add some visual length to your body size. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Another life update, I got a haircut. Now I don't know if I like it or not because I actually had very long hair, the longest length of hair I ever had, and I just got them cut. I'm definitely liking the change. It feels very nice, it feels nice and light, but comment down your views and let me know. Before leaving, you guys give this video a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.